Okay.
Let me record again. Oh my god. Like 1 minute ago he did this. Like actually, and I punched him and we died together and got on the void.
Bro, let's fight.
I'm already on the top.
Okay.
And I just...
Let's fight.
Where are you at?
Down. Lower ground.
Wait. Down? Okay.
Lower ground.
I didn't. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, no. He's using the...
I'm using what I was overpowered on every day. Oh my god, bro. Wait! I'm reloading right now.
Bro, you can just attack and dash. If you dash and attack, it's gonna be cool. Okay, bro.
Dash?
Oh my god.
Bro just missed.
Powerball.
Bro just missed the stomping. Oh my god. I'm missing. Wow. Bye, my buddy. By the way, you just missed all your shots. Oh.
If you just saw him London.
Come here. I'm overpowered with this loadout. Our loadout, no ability. Spammer. Are you joking me right now, bro?
Bro, the hero just going.
I just killed. What the? Bro, how in the world? Let me kill that boy. Let me kill that boy right now. Let me kill that boy right now.
I died.
Yes.
Damn.
Yes.
Bro,
Yes.
It's work together because our friend just... Oh wait, he left. Lol.
What, he left? It's now our private I was saying something. It didn't even fly.
Bro, you won't able to find me.
I know you're in that tree.
No.
Yeah, I see your literal name. Literally, I see your name. Literal name. When you're in that tree, I saw your literal name. Like, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Bye, my boy. That was
I'm gonna change something. Oh my god. People.
I missed. What?
Gusto mo, love, dito ka na sa taas. Mag-sleep ka na mag-isa mo.
Wow! Oh my god! Someone joined na. Let's team up. Someone joined.
He's a furry.
I know. Most
Bro,
are
he's a
little
furry.
fairs. Yes, sir. We won. Yes, sir. We won. Oh my god. Yes, sir. We won. Oh my god. In the Obama, he's there. He's literally there now. Yo. This might be the funniest day of my life. What is in the leaderboard? Bro. Bro. Bro, this guy. You know, you can target somebody. That was your last chance, my boy.
Hanap naman itong mga bag na.
Lock in, bro. Lock in! I said lock in! Bro, I literally said lock your ins. I said lock in! Superhero punch! Oh, we just did that together. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Oh, you're more health than me. Okay, you have no health now.
Bro.
Now, laser eyes for
Join me. Bro, join me.
what?
Join me.
What?
Join me.
What? I'm gonna leave.
Therefore, join me.
Yeah, I left. What?
Wait. Just for a second, wait.
Bro,
Just for a second.
our friend not just a normal dude. No, he's a chicken. It's not a normal.
Okay, now. Join me now, for real. Join me for real.
Where are you? Like actual.
Wait,
Like actual.
I'm just fixing something. I'm fixing. Ting. I'm fixing something. I'm fixing something.
Never in a million years, man.
I'm fixing something, bro. Okay, I fixed it.
Now join it. Like actually join it. Tornadoes, crushers. They're actually joking. I want a military na private. Never in a million years. That was
Okay.
actually.
Don't crash, okay? Don't crash. Like the car crash.
Like a.
Okay.
Bro, why did you even say a joke? Why did you say a joke?
I didn't say a joke.
Yeah,
I did not
you said
say
a joke. You said if you have a car, don't crash in a car crash. That's a joke.
Bro.
I know I already failed.
Okay, I made a car.
Car
I'm
accident.
row 3.
Did
I'm
you?
on row 3.
Bro said he made a car accident.
Bro, I'm on row 3. Go.
Where's road 3?
Bro, where are you?
I'm on the lobby. Where
Bro,
are
just go to the dealership.
your
Go to the
dealership?
dealership and find a free car. If you find a free car, then
Where's the dealership?
bro, on top of your screen, on top.
Oh,
Then if you find a free car, just come to me.
where in the world is a free car? How do you even see how many? Well,
Do you have a van?
know what?
Go to the 3 dots. 3 dots. 3.
3 dots?
9 dots. 9 dots.
9
You'll find a
dots?
free car. 9 dots, yeah, 9 dots.
I thought
Or
it was
square
9 lines. Bro,
Bro,
how
okay,
many? I have a van.
okay, just found the van. Okay, fine. Do you see me?
Nope. No,
Bro,
pes,
follow
what?
me.
Why?
Follow me. I see you. Follow me.
I'm on a van. I see
Bro,
you.
follow me. Okay,
I see you.
okay. Let's go.
Bro, I saw your avatar's bald.
It's okay, bro. It's
Your
okay.
avatar
At
is
least-
kalbo.
Okay? Go right here. Go right here. Don't crash, okay? Don't
Ah,
crash.
bleh, my God.
Bro,
I'm
where
about to
are
crash right
you?
now. I said I crashed. I crashed. Wait.
Bro, use the dealership again. Or ride
There's
on
no
me,
dealership.
Ride on me, ride. Just ride.
I spawned it. What? I'm
did you
back
spawn it?
here.
Bro, where are you?
I'm back here.
Okay. I'm going there. I'm going there.
This might be the worst game I've ever played in my life.
Where are you? In row 3, bro. You just go in row 1. Bro. Behind you. Behind you. Bro, I'm behind you. Bro, do you even see me? Okay.
What?
Okay. Now let's go. Can you ride on me? Try riding on my car. Try
Wait,
riding on me.
chill, wait.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, yung cellphone ko ah.
Don't crash. Okay, don't crash.
Don't what? Oh, is this row 2?
Don't crash.
Is this row 2?
Remember, go right here. Remember, go right on.
I accidentally
going.
jumped. You just left the icon. Not gonna crash.
Bro, You're...
Oh my bro. You said go here.
You just didn't see me, dog. You didn't see. Use the shortcut. Okay, you just use it. It's okay if you crash.
Where are you even at?
Upstairs, up.
No, up the road, not upstairs. I just crashed my window. Wow, okay.
Bro, where are you? If you crash your car, just walk. Okay. I will be waiting for you. Stop. 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 Hey, stop. 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 Okay. Alright, go right. Alright.
Where?
Press this. Press this. Two times lang.
I already did it. It's green.
It's green? Okay, let's go now. Okay.
Is this your carbon?
Before we go.
I keep. Oh my!
Wait.
Keep jumping, bro.
Bro, just wait. Just wait. Oh my god. I said just wait, not go.
Oh.
I'm going into something.
I'm gonna spawn a new car called a Lamborghini. Oh. Where in the world are you at?
Bro, I'm just testing something. Bro, do you see something?
No what?
Do you see? Bro, tornadoes have spawned. Look.
Never in a million years. No.
Okay, bro. Okay. Let's go right into the tornado. We are storm chasing. Let's
Bro.
storm chase.
I need to spawn another car. I just got back on the lobby.
Bro, you spawned in the lobby?
Yeah.
Bro, like, did you press it 2 times? That's my question.
What?
Did you press it 2 times?
What?
Okay, bro.
Yeah, I didn't press it 2 times. Bruh! This is the
Bro,
worst
please.
game.
Bro, you can teleport to your car.
This is the worst game.
I'm going back for you, wait. You can enter my car.
I'm already here, bro. What?
Holy,
What?
I just car.
Do I run? Do I run? Do I run?
Bro, I see you.
Wait, I must switch my car. This is too small. Not actually. Do we run? Do we run?
Bro, go.
Do we run?
No, don't run. I promise we won't crash.
Okay. I'm good at driving. I played the what is it called? Driving Empire before.
Okay, bro. Okay.
I'm on the speed limit right now. Ah!
Caleb, I'm flying. I'm flying.
Me too. Oh na. Okay.
Oh, no.
I'm flying.
I'm flying right now.
I'm
Hey.
flying. No. This is like a movie.
I'm inside of my car. I'm flying.
Me, I'm just on the ground.
Bro, do you see me?
No.
Do you see my car? Look up.
I'm on the tornado right now.
Okay, bro, I'm dead.
I'm just scream for help.
Bro, my car just got deleted. Okay, just press
I just won.
the
What? The what?
do you look like the spinning bottle? Like
The spinning button.
it stopped. It stopped.
Where's the spinning button?
You, bro,
I already crashed.
like it's the
Bruh.
yellow button. Yellow button. Yellow. Not the credit.
The
Yellow.
hello?
Yeah, yellow.
The time trial?
Yeah, it's retreat.
Time trial. Is it
Okay.
time trial? I just pressed
It
it
means
already.
it means respawn. It means respawn.
Oh, start again.
Bro,
Let's
I'm flying. Just help me. Just help me, bro. My car. No, my car. Do you see me?
no. What?
In the tornado. Look at me in the tornado.
I see you.
Oh my god.
I see you. I saw you.
Bro, I think I'm dead. Yeah.
This might be the funnest game yet. But it cannot beat ability arena though. Oh my god.
Bro, where are you? I'm trying to
I'm
find you.
I'm driving right now.
You driving?
Yeah, and I
Okay.
just crashed
Are you
on a
gonna-
paper. Oh my.
I just saw you. I hope I don't fly like a butterfly.
That was actually a bad joke. I mean, it's a good joke.
Oh my god, bro. Bro, I'm getting lifted.
Oh,
Bro, I'm getting lifted.
bro, that was like an
Bro,
inch
do you see
before
me?
I was
Do you
gonna
see me?
crash.
Do you see me?
No, go back.
Oh, bro, you're just spinning around. Bro, crash your car, you get money. To the tornado.
I'm already in the tornado.
Bro, we literally see you flying. But me, I'm dying.
Me, I'm just on the ground flying.
I saw my car just got like burned. Oh my god.
Do I press quit?
Bro, look at my car.
Where's your
Look at my
car?
car. Bro, I see you went flying.
Ow.
Oh, that did not go well. Oh, your car just went spinning around. Okay, let's try again.
Okay, respawn, baby. Do we click respawn or not?
Respawn. Click that.
I already clicked it. Look.
What happened? Did you get back the spawn?
No.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
If we crash, we get more money. You said that.
Yeah. It's true.
Oh wow.
Okay,
It
let's
actually
go
is
flying
true.
now. Let's go flying.
Let's go with the flying section, baby. Yeah.
Black hole. Go. Ah!
The black
Oh,
hole.
yo,
The black
yo.
hole. The black hole is here.
Teleport. If you teleport, you will teleport to your car. Oh my god, I just fly.
Bro, I'm on 100 speed right now. I'm on
Okay,
one.
bro.
I'm
Bro,
on 100. I'm actually close to 200 miles per hour. Bro,
Oh, my car went to the water.
me
Let's
too.
see. Oh,
When
my car.
we were on the speed limit, I was 200 miles per hour.
Bro, where are you?
Respawn. I'm on the water flying around.
Okay, respawn.
I already respawned. Whoa.
Oh, follow me. I see you.
I'm
I
gonna
think
go
you're
to the
getting-
tornado. Yes. We're gonna go in the tornado first time. Okay.
Bro, I'm going to there.
I'm gonna go to the tornado.
Bro, I'm flying.
By the way, I'm stuck.
Yeah. Me flying.
Me, I'm stuck. Bro, let me delete this car. I just did a double car.
Bro, do you see me?
No. What? I respawn back on the mountain top.
Kailan ba't na hindi pumunta?
Bakit?
Sinabi mo pupunta ka dito.
Na-crash ako ng so many times na hindi ako makaget sa tornado. Ito ulit, hindi ulit ako makapunta sa tornado at
May sasabihin ako sa'yo, ba't ka hindi pumunta dito? Sabi mo, pupunta ka naman dito.
ayun na, pupunta na ako. Kita mo na yung car ko.
Oo, nakikita ko. Lumilipad.
Flying in the sky. Everybody knows it's cool. Not yung sequence. Okay.
Me chilling in my car and I see pupunta.
Me just chilling when I just saw a tornado flying around and I just dropped on and I just got on and I just drowned myself and that was actually
Bro, I'm flying. Help me.
me chilling in the car when I saw someone in the tornado just flying around and flied all the way to the heaven.
And he flew away.
And he dropped on the water. And he headbutt himself. That was when I saw him, I went to go to the tornado. And then if he's okay, I'm gonna go to the tornado and gonna see if he's okay. When I go to the tornado, I crash and fly away. That was actually cringe. Okay.
Oh my god!
And I fly to the heavens like the guy just did. And I fly to the heavens and landed on the water. When I teleported, it teleported on my car and it was dropping down on the water. That was a fire song. Rate that out of 10.
Bro?
What? That was actually a fire song. What? Yeah, man. Real mayonnaise.
Where are you?
I'm on the money shop. When I got a new car, when I got inside, all my hair just lost. And I went back on the tornado and enjoy in the tornado. And when I saw someone flying in the sky, I just back away and I'm actually gonna go to the tornado. And he got on the water and I just got it and I just got on and I'm flying everywhere. And I'm flying everywhere. And I'm flying everywhere. Everything that I see is around from the world. Like the sand, like the rocks. Every rocks I see. I can even see the gods of the mountains. And I actually go down the heaven and I go in the heavens and my car just break and I literally survive. I don't know how. 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 I don't know how did I survive that. I don't know how did I survive that.
Hey guys, nandito po kami sa...
I don't know how did I survive that. I don't know how did I survive that. I'm trying it again and I'm spinning around and getting dizzy every time. Every time when I got dizzy and fall out of the car. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Any last words?
Hey.
Bro!
That song was fire.
What
Like,
happened to my
that
car?
was actually fire. And how did I survive that? How did I survive that again? When I got on the one, I didn't survive that. But the...
Oh, let's find Caleb.
Never in a
Ano
million... Never in a million years. when
Bro, can you disable?
I got on the mountain top and I decided to go on the tornado. And the tornado got me. And the tornado got me. And I just got my card. And I scribbled it around. When I escaped, I just went so dizzy that I can't even take it anymore. That I can't even take it anymore. I saw someone did this and I just got monies for crashing my car. And I just got money for crashing my car. Because the crashing car. That was fire.
May police car na. Teka lang. Police car.
Bro, what? Now bro has... I cannot make that word.
I wonder why I cannot buy it.
Because every day we've been playing Rival.
Bro said I got a new car and it didn't give me. Oh, it gave me. Bro,
Tires!
you're under arrest. You're under arrest for flying.
Huwag ka munang magsalita, di ko hayaan. 2, 3, 4. What?
Bro,
What?
do you hear my siren?
Nope. What? What, bro? What?
I'm flying.
Oh my god.
A police car has been flying since 1990.
In the 90s.
Oh my god.
At 1 billion of car breaks only in an hour. And someone just designed it to be so good, and the interior was nothing.
Bro, you're under arrest. Where are you?
I'm designing my car.
Police
What?
is coming up.
Kung
Bro, where are
pwede
you?
pa ba tayo? Where's
Bro,
the...
Where are you? I'm just wanna say.
Yo, Chow, what do
Where are
we name
you?
this snake? What do we name the car? I think the
chasing you. Police is coming up. Police. Bro, did you left?
What? No.